Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat following limit problem. So guys, if you have this type of problem when you follow any friend, that is you have reached your limit of friend request. For now, try again in a few minutes. So guys, if you are facing this problem on your Snapchat account, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you have to open your Snapchat, click on your main profile, click on settings, and guys after this you need to scroll it below. So guys, when you have scroll it down, you will find clear cache option. As you can see here, here is the option of my data. Simply you need to click on this one. So guys, here is the option of clear data. Simply you need to click on this one, and guys you need to scroll it down. And guys, first of all you have to clear cache, and guys after this you need to go back, and guys after this you will be able to add many friends on Snapchat. So guys, after this, if still not fix your problem, then guys you have to open your settings, scroll it down, click on general, and guys click on iPhone storage. And after this you have to open your Snapchat, and guys you need to upload your app, and guys after this you need to reinstall again from App Store. And guys after this you need to log in your Snapchat account, and guys you will be able to add many friends again on your Snapchat. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.